What's up, everybody? Welcome to Alex Motors Media. I am Alex, and today we are spending the afternoon with a 2021 BMW M3 sedan. Now, this is the base M3, no comp, no CS around here. Finished in wonderful tanzanite blue to metallic, and you peek through our windshield right there. Interior is finished in Kyalami orange. Now, forgive the car for being a tad dirty, but it is a daily driver like an M3 should be. Now, sticking this thing to the ground, we do have 275 Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's all around. Now, notice how the front wheels are coated in brake dust because this car is equipped with carbon ceramic brakes. Now go to the interior. We do see our 3 pedals on the floor, our 6-speed manual in the middle, and our M Carbon Sport buckets. Now, a lot of people don't really like these because they can be a little daunting at first because they're not as cushy as the comfort seats, and you do have to get over these ribs on these sides every time you get in and out of your vehicle. But propelling this thing forward, pull our hood latch twice. We see our powertrain, the wonderful BMW S58 3-liter inline 6 producing 473 horsepower. Now, a lot of people prefer the B58s in the 40i's, but I myself am a purist. I prefer the M cars. Not really that much into the M lights. Everybody says, "Oh, but he makes more power." Da, 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 da. I don't really care about that. I like my cars out of the box the way they are, and the best car for that would be the M3. Now, around back, we do have a power trunk with loads of space. I'm sure you could probably fit, maybe, according to my calculations, 2 dead bodies back there, with our cargo nets on the sides for smaller items. There's also power closing as well. Now, to the interior, since it's closest, we start with our back seat. Now, seat is a bit far back because of my driving position. I do have longer legs, but seated back here, I'm comfortable. I mean, there's not a ton of leg room, but if you just sit back a little bit, I'm sure you could do a good drive back here. We do have an armrest, even though it kind of is an armrest, but it goes straight to the trunk, so it's more of a pass-through than an armrest. But you know, if you want an actual armrest, maybe get a normal 3 Series. And of course, we have our Harman Kardon sound system. Now, moving to the front, to get into your carbon buckets, all you have to do is put your leg here, swing in, get your butt in, bada bing bada boom, close your door, and you're in nice and comfy. We do have 3 pedals on the floor and 6 gears right here. All right, so enough of just looking at the car. Now let's get in and drive.